Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me yet, hi, my name is Sofia and I make videos on minimalism and intentional living. And I recently sold all of my stuff to travel. We're currently in Portugal. I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys if you're interested in finding out more about what we're doing. You can also follow my adventures on Instagram. I'll leave a little screenshot here and the handle down below. For today's video, I have a very short one that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I've been wanting to do it since I got my tattoo with my best friend. So I'll explain a little bit about my tattoo and the story behind it, but I wanted to share with you guys some ideas for like super aesthetic, very minimal tattoos that you can get in case you've been wanting to do so. And yeah, just sort of give you guys some ideas. These tattoo ideas and designs are not mine, so I'm going to be linking down below the Pinterest where I've pinned all of these, where like you can get the right credit for each of these images. So just making that disclaimer, these are not my tattoos or pictures or anything like that. But the first tattoo idea I have that I'll put right here is your Astro Sign. Now this is a picture of me and my best friends. We have matching ones because we were actually born only a few hours apart. We're Libras, and we decided to get this like very minimal, just outline of our sign. We both really like astrology, and we thought it was something cute to just have in common, because if we ever stop being best friends, which won't happen, it's not like something that's super specific to her. It's like very related to me and who I am, but it just felt like a cute thing to do. And this is like our inspiration. It's just like another version of the sort of tattoo that we wanted to get. But the idea behind it is just that we wanted to have a little reminder somewhere in our bodies of like who we really are and just stay true to ourselves. I know that not every sign is like super pretty or aesthetically pleasing, but if you happen to have a sign that you think would look cute on somewhere on your body, then it's a nice first idea. Second idea is this design or something similar of like moon and flowers. I feel like I personally at least really like these like very nature-based tattoos, and they can be whatever you like most about nature. If you're an ocean person or a mountain person or something like that, then you can swap it out. But there's just so many very cute designs like that, and like I said, I'll leave my Pinterest inspiration board down underneath so you guys can sort of scroll through it for more inspiration and ideas. Idea number 3 is just a little discreet little tree. Just tattoos that remind you of our connection to nature are super cute and aesthetically pleasing, and it just felt like something I wanted to include in this list. Idea number 4 is this tattoo of like the little arms embrace, and I feel like this could have a lot of different meanings. It could mean like remember to take good care of yourself or protect yourself and your body, but it could also mean just like an example or symbol of how much you love yourself. There's a lot of meanings that you could attribute to this tattoo, and I think that it's just very elegant and simple. Idea number 5 is this one for your pets. Again, it's an outline, so it's not anything that's too in your face. And I feel like it's such a good idea for those of you who have a pet or lost a pet or just love animals in general. And it doesn't necessarily have to be like a dog or a cat like this picture, but the idea is that it's just like an outline of it instead of, you know, the full face that could be like very intense and you could get tired of it very easily. Tattoo number 6 is a white ink tattoo, and this could be either a drawing or a phrase or whatever. It's completely up to you, but instead of black ink, it's white, and it ends up being a lot more discreet and a lot less in your face, so it gives it that minimal aspect to it. So if you're on the line as to whether or not you want to get a tattoo, maybe try a white ink tattoo first. Number 7 is a tattoo idea for parents. Again, it's just very outline, line based like most of these tattoos are, but I thought that it'd be such a cute idea to have like all of the hands stacked on each other. I mean, it could just be your hand and your baby's hand, but it's a very cute idea for parents in my opinion. Number 8 is an idea for world travelers, and it's just like 3 little sort of perspectives on the globe. You could also go just for one of them, especially if it like represents the country or the continent you're from. But I really like these 3 together, and there's so many different parts of your body that you could go for a tattoo like that. So yeah. Tattoo number 9 is this one, and I just thought it was like super dreamy, and if you're a dreamer, I feel like this tattoo could be a cool tattoo for you. there's not much to say about it, but I think that it's just really, really cute. Number 10 is not just like one, but it's just entire image of sort of ideas that you could use, and it's like the pets one, but you can choose the animal that you identify yourself most with, maybe because of their style of life, or you know, maybe because that's just like the personality traits that you sort of relate to the most. Or maybe you're Leo and you want to get a lion. But it's just like a very simple, small idea that again could be put on your ankle or your wrist or anywhere really. And there's just a lot of them to choose from. So yeah, again, you can check out Pinterest for like the full quality sort of screenshot. 11 is probably the simplest of all of them, and it's just a tiny letter. And the calligraphy matters a lot for this one, so you're gonna wanna find like a font that you really like. But if there's someone that you either love or lost and want to remember, this is one of those tattoos that even if you're not a big tattoo person, you could easily get, because you could like hide it between your fingers or put it somewhere very discreet, but it's just like a permanent reminder of that person. Number 12 is just a meaningful line drawing, and I know that this one's like so broad, but there's so many beautiful line drawings out there right now, or you could even get someone to draw one for you based on an image that you like. And I feel like any line-based tattoo, like I mentioned before, is always going to look really minimal, super great, and it's probably not going to get old over time or tiring, or when like trends come and go, that it won't be like not trendy anymore. So if you're looking for something more long-term, it's a good choice. 13 is just a discreet reminder, and I'll just like leave the image for you here. I feel like this is just a great tattoo idea. I really like it. It's really cute. 14 is to get ring tattoos, and this, I can't remember where I saw this, but I was once listening to a YouTuber, I think, saying how instead of getting sort of engagement rings or like wedding rings, bands, they got wedding tattoos. And I don't think that I'd personally go for that, but I think it's such a good idea if you don't want to be attached to an object, or you know, if you're out and about a lot and you don't want to like lose your ring and you're a tattoo person, then I think that that's just such a cute idea. 15 is a tattoo to represent growth, and I went for the seed because this one's like, you know, you're sort of like planting the seed of yourself and you're growing. So for any of you looking for tattoos to symbolize growth or just like discovering yourself, this is a great idea. 16 is a tattoo for the tattoo shy, because you just pick out anything you want, but you just make it tiny. And then you pick out the part of your body you want to put it on, and you know, most people won't see it. It'll be there for you, and it's something that's very hard to get tired of. So if you're tattoo shy, maybe this is a good place to start. Getting tattoos is addicting though. I will say, like, when someone said this to me, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna get more than one tattoo. But now I've been thinking about it, so just be careful with that. 17 are these cute wings to remember a little angel. It could be someone you lost, it could be a pet. It's completely up to you, but I thought this was a very sweet idea to sort of immortalize something or someone. It's completely up to you. So as I was editing this video, I realized that I completely missed number 18. So number 18 is just a small quote that reminds you of something that means a lot to you, or just motivates you to keep going, whatever it is that you're doing. Just a little symbol of something you believe in, and it could be any part of your body, but that's number 18. 19 is a little bit inspired on my best friend's and mine's tattoo, but it's just a tattoo that's matching in some way or the other with someone you really care about. This is a great idea, for example, but there's a bunch of others that you can look up, and they're small and discreet and just like a super cute way to have a connection with someone. And last but not least, 20 is a political statement. And when I say political, I just mean like if you are a feminist, or if you strongly believe in something and you want to sort of showcase that belief on your body, like women empowerment, for example, is the one that I chose, but I feel like it's a very cute way to do it and just sort of like stand up for what you believe in. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.